Chapter 3 of the Scoliosis Diet: Genetic Variant Testing for Idiopathic Scoliosis. Idiopathic scoliosis is a condition where the spine curves sideways for reasons that are not fully understood. It often develops during childhood or the teenage years and can become more serious over time. For many years, doctors thought scoliosis was only a problem with the bones or muscles, but new research has shown that genetics plays a big role. In fact, certain patterns in a person's DNA, called genetic variants, can increase the risk of developing scoliosis and even affect how fast the curve gets worse. Because of this, testing for genetic variants has become one of the most exciting new ways to better understand, manage, and possibly prevent idiopathic scoliosis. What is genetic variant testing? Genetic variant testing looks for small changes in a person's DNA that may impact how their body works. These changes can affect many systems, including how the body processes nutrients, balances hormones, and controls posture through brain and nerve function. Scientists have found that people with idiopathic scoliosis often have certain genetic variants that influence these key systems. By identifying these variants through a simple saliva or cheek swab test, doctors and families can better understand a child's risk for developing scoliosis or how to best manage it if the condition has already started. Identifying at-risk children early. One of the biggest benefits of genetic variant testing is the chance to identify children who are at risk for idiopathic scoliosis before a curve even begins. Many of these children look perfectly healthy on the outside. Their posture might be normal, and no spinal curve is visible yet. But deep inside their cells, certain genetic patterns can tell us that they are more likely to develop a curve during growth spurts, especially during puberty when the spine grows quickly. If these genetic markers are found early, before scoliosis starts or while the curve is still small, it opens the door for preventative care. Rather than waiting and watching for the curve to get worse, families can take action right away. This may include using a personalized nutrition and supplement plan that strengthens the child's bones, balances their hormones, and supports the nervous system. In some cases, it may even help prevent the spinal curve from forming at all. Personalized nutrient therapy for children with curves. Genetic variant testing is also valuable for children who already have scoliosis. Even if a curve has started to form, knowing the child's genetic profile can help guide more targeted, effective treatment. For example, if a child has variants that affect vitamin D absorption, their bones may not be getting the support they need, even if they take a standard multivitamin. In that case, a personalized supplement plan with more absorbable forms of vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium could help the spine grow straighter and stronger. Other genetic variants may affect neurotransmitters, like dopamine or serotonin, which help the brain control posture and movement. If those variants are present, certain amino acid supplements or B vitamins can be added to help improve communication between the brain and spine. This may help with better posture control and reduce the muscular imbalances that can lead to worsening curves. Instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach, doctors and scoliosis specialists can use genetic information to design a custom therapy plan for each child, something that matches their exact needs. This makes treatment more powerful and often leads to better results. A lifelong journey. Many people think of scoliosis as a childhood condition, but the truth is that scoliosis is a lifelong journey. Even after the teenage years, the effects of genetic variants continue to shape a person's health. Adults with idiopathic scoliosis often deal with pain, fatigue, poor posture, or even breathing issues caused by their spinal curve. And because these genetic patterns are present every day, they continue to influence how the body works in adulthood. For example, an adult with scoliosis may have ongoing issues with hormone balance, bone density, or inflammation due to genetic variants. These challenges can become more noticeable during certain phases of life, such as pregnancy or menopause in women, or with aging and physical stress in both men and women. That's why genetic variant testing is not just for kids. It can help adults too. When adults know their genetic patterns, they can make better choices about diet, supplements, exercise, and lifestyle. A woman with scoliosis who knows she has a vitamin D receptor variant can make sure she uses a form of vitamin D her body can absorb. Someone with a COMT variant might take special nutrients to help clear stress hormones more efficiently, reducing back pain and tension. These small but powerful changes can improve daily comfort, prevent curve progression, and help people with scoliosis live more active, pain-free lives. How diet and supplements can help. Genes are not destiny. Just because someone has a genetic risk for scoliosis doesn't mean they will definitely develop a severe curve. The choices we make, what we eat, how we move, and what we put into our bodies can change how genes behave. This is called epigenetics, and it means that environment and lifestyle can either trigger or protect us from the effects of our genes. A therapeutic diet full of whole foods, healthy fats, lean proteins, and fresh fruits and vegetables can support the body's natural repair systems. Certain supplements, like calcium, magnesium, vitamin K2, omega-3 fatty acids, B-complex vitamins, and amino acids, can help support neurotransmitters, hormones, and bone strength, especially when they are chosen based on genetic needs. The key is personalization. With genetic testing, doctors can remove the guesswork and create a targeted plan that supports each person's unique biology. This gives families a powerful tool for fighting scoliosis naturally and effectively. Knowledge is power. Genetic variant testing is a breakthrough in how we understand and treat idiopathic scoliosis. It gives doctors, parents, and patients the knowledge they need to take control of scoliosis before it takes control of them. By identifying children at risk early, using personalized diets and supplements, and recognizing scoliosis as a lifelong condition, we can improve treatment outcomes and give every patient a better chance at a healthy, active life. For adults, genetic insights can help reduce daily pain, support long-term bone health, and improve energy and mobility. No matter what stage of life a person is in, understanding their genetic blueprint can help them make smarter choices and live with greater comfort and confidence. With genetic variant testing, we are not just treating the curve, we are treating the whole person.